how to leave a community in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can leave a community in Teams. So if you are fed up with a community and you wish to leave that community or a group, then the steps are quite simple. So the first thing that we're gonna do is click onto this communities tab over the left hand side. This will redirect us to the communities page. Now within the communities page, you can access all of the communities that you are a part of. So for example, I'm currently part of this single community that goes by the name Wisdom. Now, if I wish to leave this community, what I can do is simply select this and it will show me these three horizontal dots right here. So I need to simply click onto these three horizontal dots and a menu bar appears. Now in this menu bar, I can simply select the second last option, leave community, and once I do this, it will give me a warning and a confirmation that says all community content will be deleted once you are removed, but you can request to export community data before leaving. This is happening because I am the only member in this community. Now if you wish to proceed, you can click onto this leave button, and just like that, I have left all of the community. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.